Umentri rang ba ka jela ula pentikna ba ka Jingtohkit kanang Ïaid Shakhmat Halor ki Jingbymdon jong u doctor ha Mawiong Community Health Center ha kapor balara ya usilong MP Ricky AG Singken syakatay ka jaka sumar ha ka khandai terik urempang. Usang ma ulaong baka tenat kakot kakya kadang shim ya kasin jam ki badan kam katkum ka Jingtohkit bad ula benrap ba umentri kakot kakya un ai shushu ya ka jingtip ka babanya.
The fact that that there was no recruitment process and MPSC was overburdened. So we started a new recruitment board for the doctors, and based on that we recruited 550 doctors now, and even specialists we have recruited about 35 specialists. So there has been an addition of maybe close to about 1,000 plus, about I can't remember the exact number, but it was 1,200 something plus manpower in the overall system, and it's a huge improvement compared to where we were before. A lot more needs to be done because we still have infrastructure shortages. And there's a reason why we are pumping in more money into health sector. If you looked at the budget, it is double that of the national average. It's because we realize that there's so many areas which we need to keep working on.
So, will you take any action against that concerned doctor?
There's already an inquiry that has taken place, and and based on that inquiry, I think the health department is taking necessary steps. So I think health minister will be in a better position to reply to that. You can have a word with him.
So this